So now I will show you the easiest way to download the Scarlet app on iPhone. First of all, on your iPhone, just open the Safari browser and here search for usescarlet.com. So make sure the link is usescarlet.com. And once you are in this website, just scroll down and here just tap on install to get the Scarlet app. And now you have to watch ads. Just close the ad tabs and go back to the Scarlet download page. Again tap on install. And here just tap on this cross icon. And now tap on direct install. And tap on open this page in iTunes. Tap on open. And here we can see balancer.usescarlet.com would like to install Scarlet. Just tap on install. And now go back to your app library and here you will see your Scarlet app is installing. So just wait to finish the installing process. And here as you can see the Scarlet successfully installed. Now if I tap on Scarlet, you will see these notification, untrusted enterprise developer. Now to solve this problem, go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on general, scroll down and here tap on VPN and device management. And here you will find the Sunshine Insurance Group. So all you have to do is just tap on that. And here tap on Trust Sunshine Insurance Group. Tap on allow and restart. And now just restart your iPhone. And now we have to install the profile. So just tap on swipe up to continue. And tap on install profile. And verify your passcode. And here as you can see the profile successfully installed. Now just unlock your iPhone. And now again tap on Scarlet. And make sure your internet is turned on. So I'm going to turning on my Wi-Fi first and then opening Scarlet. And here as you can see the Scarlet successfully opened. Now you can easily install apps or use this Scarlet app.